अनुमति से मैं श्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत की ओर से आज के कार्य की संशोधित सूची में क्रम संख्या 1 क पर उनके नाम के समक्ष उल्लिखित कागज को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Dr. L. Murugan ji, on behalf of Dr. Jitendra Singh ji.
Respected Chairman sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Dr. Jitendra Singh, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned at serial number 1 class B of today's revised list of business pertaining to the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pension.
सदन की कार्रवाई अनिश्चित काल के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Parliament Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievance, Law and Justice and Demands for Grants 2026-27 pertaining to the Department of Personnel and Training. Thank you.
Through Dr. L. Murugan ji.
Respected Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendation observation contained in the third report of the Department related Parliament Standing Committee on Communication and Information Technology on Demands for Grants 2024-25 pertaining to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Thanks.
Shriman Sugandha Majumdar ji.
Respected sir, with your permission, I rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations, observations contained in the 256th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on action taken by government on the recommendations contained in 253rd report of on demand for grants 2025-26 and 258th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on demand for grants 2026-27 pertaining to Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region. Thank you.
Honorable members, I have received a request from the... I am coming. Let me make my announcement. Honorable members, I have received a request from the Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs to take up for consideration and passing the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2026, yes, passed by the Lok Sabha by dispensing the 0-hour submissions and question hour, considering the importance of the bill and the fact that today, in the last day of the monsoon session, if the House agrees the matters to be raised with the permission of the Chair and the question hour may be dispensed with to enable the House to take up the bill immediately. The answers to the questions already listed will accordingly be treated as slide. I hope I have the sense of the House. Shriman G. Kishan Reddy ji to move a motion for consideration of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2026.
I rise to move that the Mines and Mineral Development and Regulation Amendment Bill 2026 as passed by the Lok Sabha to be taken into the consideration.
And viewers, that's breaking news coming in